Hi, welcome to the second chapter of Celine's apartment. We will make walls and ceiling lines. The material I choose for the walls is insulation board. The surface of this material is thin cement, which is very suitable for simulating walls. But there's a catch here. This material contains glass fiber inside, which can cause skin irritation when touched during processing. Applying paint can solve this problem. All the walls and the floor have been cut. Next, we will start assembling. I use hot melt adhesive for bonding and then insert toothpicks for reinforcement. I made an extra short wall here for future embedding of circuits and controllers. The toothpicks here serve a similar purpose as the tensile force provided by embedded steel bars in construction. Once all reinforcements are done, the wall construction is complete. Next, we will make the ceiling line, which is this part in the rendering. Draw lines on the ceiling based on the completed dimensions of the walls. For the ceiling line, I used 3 wooden strips of different widths for splicing. The wooden strips are cut from Polonia sheet. Stick the 3 wooden strips together in a stepped manner like this. Cut the joints of the ceiling line at a 45-degree angle. Use adhesive to place the cut lines on the previously drawn positions. Use putty to repair it, then sand and clean it. The ceiling is now complete. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. And I will produce more new content as soon as possible. Let's see you next time.
Hey, yes, me too.
Not yet needed. Come back when we do the soft decoration.